Hello everyone, my name is Yakshita Thakur and I am a student of Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University, and currently I am studying in BCA Data Science. So today here I am to present my project which is titled on Job Recommendation System. So this is a Python project and I have used the dataset from kaggle.com, and to run this code I have used Jupyter Notebook. So let's get started with the project. Job recommendation system are basically made to simplify the task of the job seekers and the company so that both of them gets the preference they desire for. So now there are existing systems as well which try to provide information through different methods, but it gets tedious to find our relevant job through heaps of information. So that is why there are problems with the existing system. The main problem is that it is not capable of storing large data as it uses traditional methods, and that is why finding relevant jobs gets difficult over here. So what is the proposed system then? So the proposed system is that we first extract meaningful features from the data by transforming noisy and unstructured data into structured data, which can be handled more easily. And then the job offers is matched with the data from the resumes, and this is how the result is obtained. So this is the basic architecture of my project. So the candidate provides his information like name, date of birth, resume, gender, company, and then with the help of collaborative filtering and the job preferences of the candidate, the website provides his recommended jobs. So as I said, collaborative filtering is used as an algorithm over here. It is used because it finds similarities between users and items and then provides a recommendation. And this filtering needs a large data set, which is beneficial for job recommendation system because it stores a huge amount of data, and that is why it is a benefit for it. Now, for the future work, there are many areas of recommendation system where intense research is going on, which will surely help in shaping the future of recommendation systems like privacy and dynamics. So this will help us in future to get more and accurate, relevant jobs related to our preferences. And now I will show you the website that I have created. So as you can see, this is the home page of my website. This is the name of the company, the position it offers, the description that it has given, the salary, the experience, location, and the join if you want to apply to that particular company. So suppose you want to apply to the company Yaksh at the rate Tech Solutions. So you can go here and apply. Here you can add the name, date of birth, gender, mobile, email, and you can choose the file. You can choose your resume from here as well. And then you can choose the company which you want to refer to, and then you can submit. So now if the company wants to see if the which candidates have applied for their job, so then they can go and log into this page. You can see I have already logged in and given the password for it. You just need to log in, and then here you can see that 3 candidates have applied for your job, and you from here this link you can see the PDF of their resume. And after the resume, if you find the person relevant for the position, you can go further with them by their mobile number. You can contact them through their mobile number, or you can simply email them regarding the further recruiting process. So this is a basic website which I have created, and this is this basically shows that how a recommendation system works. So that's it. Thank you.